NavePoint's Performance Series cabinet is your most versatile solution for organizing and securing your networking equipment. All Performance Series cabinets are manufactured using a high-quality cold-rolled steel and are finished with a powder coating. This cabinet can be wall-mounted or self-standing, and the 15, 18, and 22U models include casters for easy mobility. Performance Series cabinets are available in 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 22U configurations and are available in both 450mm depth and 600mm depth. All Performance Series cabinets are EIA ECA 310E compliant and are guaranteed to fit your 19-inch rack-mounted equipment. This cabinet is available with a tempered glass door and solid side panels, or with a perforated steel door and side panels. Both the doors and side panels contain security locks that meet the necessary standards for both PCI and HIPPA compliance. Your equipment will stay cool with the 2 included fans and ventilation. Removable panels are also included at the top and bottom of the cabinet for cable and wire access. Get free shipping when you purchase your networking equipment and accessories at NavePoint.com, providing premium quality, value, and service excellence. NavePoint.com.